Here is a review of setting up linear equations, a linear equation application problem. The cost of making 14 lamps is $1,330. The cost of making 30 lamps is $1,970. What is the cost per lamp? Well, the cost per lamp, I could also write this way, cost per lamp. And this is just my slope. This is my slope for my linear equation. We all know the slope formula is the change in y over the change in x, which is also the rise over the run, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here we have 2 points, 14 lamps, 1330. 14 lamps is my x, 1330 is my y, and 30 lamps at 1970. So 30, 1970. Those are my 2 points. Slope is rise over run. 1970 minus 1330, change in y, over my change in x. 30 minus 14 equals 640 divided by 16 equals 40. So 40 is my slope, is $40 per lamp, my cost per lamp. Next, we're asked, what is the fixed cost or the startup cost that you need to spend before making your first lamp? Well, this is the fixed cost, is also the y-intercept. Y-intercept. We also call it b in our linear equation. Y equals mx plus b. We just found m, our slope. So we have the cost equals our slope plus b. In order to find b, I need to use a point on my curve. So I'm going to use our first point, 14 and 1330. My cost is 1330 equals 40 times 14 plus b. 40 times 14 is 560. Subtract 560 from both sides, and I get 770 equals b. So b is my y-intercept. It is the cost I need to spend before making my first lamp, and it is 770. Now that I have all this, it says write a linear equation that tells you the total cost, C, of making X lamps. C equals mx plus b. C is my total cost. It is a function of x. M is my cost per lamp, or 40. X is my number of lamps, plus my startup cost, 770. So here it is in function notation. Cost as a function of x equals 40 times x plus 770. And of course this is in dollars. Next, the problem asks, What is the total cost of making 26 lamps? Well, we just found cost as a function of x equals 40x plus 770. 26 lamps would be x equals 26. So I've got 40 times 26 plus 770. 40 times 40 times 26 is 1040. 1040 plus 770 equals 1810, or the cost of making 26 lamps is $1,810. And finally, it asks if your total cost is $4,890, $4,890 equals total cost how many lamps did you make? Well, total cost is my C. How many lamps did I make? I'm going to use my equation, C. So I've got 4,890 equals 40x plus 770. Solve for x. Subtract 770 from both sides. 4,120 equals 40x. Divide both sides by 40. I get x equals 103. So I made 103 lamps at a cost of $4,890.